Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. As the venerable model's replacement, the 2026 Daihatsu Taft is anticipated to maintain its reputation as a reliable and practical automobile. The Taft will probably continue to have its distinctive boxy shape, which conveys a sense of toughness and roominess. The external look will be dominated by strong angles and lines. The major feature will be the huge, robust front grille, which will look dashing and be prepared to handle a variety of terrains. Depending on the kind and trim, grille designs will probably differ. LED technology will probably be used for the front and back lights, giving them a contemporary appearance and ideal illumination. The rugged and futuristic appearance will be strengthened by the LED light design. The front and rear bumpers will have a strong, practical design that will shield the body from collision. The bottom will probably include extra body protection to guard against dirt and pebbles. Taft will have tires and wheels that complement its reputation as a rugged car with a robust design and proportionate dimensions. A glass roof will probably be an option, giving the cabin a more contemporary appearance and letting in natural light. The interior design conveys a sense of toughness and space while adhering to the boxy external style. The driver can easily access the controls thanks to the dashboard's straightforward and ergonomic arrangement. The infotainment system's dashboard touchscreen, settings for digital air conditioning. The Daihatsu Taft is built to optimize passenger space despite its small size. Both the driver and the passenger can see well because to the elevated sitting position. There are useful storage spaces, including a special one in front of the passenger seat. Originally unveiled as a concept vehicle at the 2020 Tokyo Auto Salon, the current contemporary Daihatsu Taft boasts the following engine specs. Engine type: DOHC gasoline engine with 3 cylinders. 658cc is the engine's capacity. Engine variants: the non-turbo version generates about 60 Nm of torque at 3,600 revolutions per minute and 51 horsepower at 6,900 revolutions per minute. Turbo variant generates about 100 Nm of torque at 3,600 revolutions per minute and 63 horsepower at 6,400 revolutions per minute. Transmission: automatic continuously variable transmission CVT.